What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. The other day I harvested my horseradish, so today I'm going to prepare some horseradish, so come along and check it out. So here's the horseradish I was able to get out of the garden. I'm going to go ahead and start peeling it up. I'd like bigger pieces like this for next year, but you know, it is what it is. Some of these smaller ones, I think the flavor's not as good on those as the bigger pieces, but we're going to get it all mixed up together. I'm just getting cut right there. So there's the clean piece. I'll bring it back after I get the rest of these. So there was a couple pieces that were real tiny that I just basically tossed. So it's about a half a cup. So I'm going to magic bullet it. Okay, so typically you'd want to say about a cup, but all I was able to get was a half a cup. So I'm just going to half the recipe. So half a cup of horseradish. It's going to be a quarter cup of vinegar. A tablespoon of sugar. And then a quarter teaspoon of salt. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Whew. I learned my lesson the first time. I had my face right over it when I opened it, and oh my gosh, very pungent. I'm gonna get an old pickle jar to put it in right now. Whew. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could smell this. Okay. So I'm feeling kind of crazy. There were some that went ahead and fell out of the jar. Wow. Woo! Oh my. That, woo. Very nice. But woo. It's got some tang to it. So I'm definitely going to incorporate this with a little bit of either ketchup or some mayo. Make like a horseradish sauce, a horsey sauce, or cocktail sauce. I think that's going to be really good. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.